Hello. Here with me today is Senator Joshua Aquino, here to talk about his healthcare reform platform. Senator, what are the major aims for your healthcare reform party, and what should the public know about its stances?
Well, the basis of our party is our dedication to providing affordable healthcare coverage to everyone with all the benefits of privatized insurance. Our aim is, as our party name implies, to reform our country's healthcare system, because the greatest country on earth ought to have the greatest healthcare system, and right now we don't. Too many people don't have affordable healthcare coverage, and we need to fix our system so that everyone is able to buy it.
Does that mean that your party agrees with recent attempts to socialize healthcare?
No, definitely not. We feel that Americans should not be forced to buy healthcare insurance. Socializing the system is one solution, but we do not feel it is the right one. Making everyone buy something is essentially placing a new tax on the American people, when what we need to do is less taxing and more cutting on unnecessary government programs.
Wasn't socialized healthcare a system widely promoted by many conservatives in the years past?
It was, yes, and there has been too much flip-flopping on this issue. Americans needed a weighted front to face down the healthcare system, and they need it quickly. The Healthcare Reform Party is here to put up that front. We are the only group so devoted to this issue, an issue that will affect not only this generation, but the generations to come.
So how will you, the Healthcare Reform Party, guarantee that those future generations will have the same benefits that this generation does?
Well, Angelica, the key is less government spending. That's what we believe in. Our national debt reaches into the trillions, and right now we have nothing to leave our children. We don't need to raise taxes on people. We just need to cut down on unnecessary spending, keeping a fair tax system.
How does your party plan on protecting the people today?
Well, we plan on giving people the options they need to live healthfully. We want to let people insure themselves. We want to protect them from the insurance agencies. We're going to stop the malpractice by insurance companies and give the people what's right and what's fair. People won't be restricted by companies or by people too lazy to get insured. People shouldn't have to pay for other people to have coverage. That's the bottom line.
And that's going to happen by cutting government spending, right?
Yes, definitely. It's also going to happen by giving more of the power to control the budget to the states. The states are going to be better at managing this for the people.
Well, thank you, Senator. Good luck to you and your campaign.
Thank you for having me here today, Angelica.
Hello. This is a political debate between conservatives and liberals on healthcare costs and prescription drugs. What is your party's philosophies on healthcare?
There is no question that Medicare is on an unsustainable course. The current government has promised far more than it can deliver.
So, how would people benefit from your healthcare reform?
The citizens of our country would benefit by having equal health care, which means no one is being treated better than another. Also, under the Affordable Care Act, you won't have to pay a single dollar because the government pays for everything.
Well, our party would not charge individuals for not having health insurance, such as the liberals, who would charge the American family $350 per child and $700 for an adult. We will allow everyone to choose their own affordable insurance, and if they still can't afford insurance, then they will be qualified for government-funded programs that will help pay for their bills.
Okay, so how will your healthcare reform affect future generations?
Our healthcare will allow future generations to budget their insurance costs, since they'll be able to choose their own type of health insurance. Since insurance companies will provide lower rates, more families will be able to be insured, which is also why our slogan is here to protect future generations.